test drive the 2016 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, stability control, traction control, backup camera, power steering, cruise control, premium sound system, MP3 player, child safety locks, power brakes. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.